Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your phone number in the Catawiki application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the account section, click on the account settings button. And at the account details section, look for the phone number button. And then just click on the add button next to it. So first you have to set your country, so just click on that and you can either search for it or just scroll down. And then you have to type in your phone number, and once you did that, just click on the continue button and your phone number will be added. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.